So here it is our data for the problem. A hexagonal plane of 40 mm side has its plane inclined at 30 degree to vertical plane, and the side of hexagon in vertical plane is inclined at 45 degree to horizontal plane. Draw the projection of the plane. To solve this problem, draw a horizontal line XY and mention vertical plane above line XY and horizontal plane below line XY. As per the given data, the side of hexagonal plane is in vertical plane. So in step 1, we will assume that the hexagonal plane is resting in vertical plane. In that case, the front view will give true shape of hexagonal plane. So as per the dimension, draw a hexagonal plane of 40 mm side as shown. Name the corner points of hexagonal plane by point A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Now, to draw a top view of hexagonal plane, take projections of each point in horizontal plane and mark point AB, CF and DE and join them as shown. In step 2, we will consider plane inclination with vertical plane. So, we will draw a top view of step 1 at an angle of 30 degree in step 2. For that, mark point AB on line XY and from that point draw a line at an angle of 30 degree and mark point CF and DE as shown. To draw a front view in step 2, take projections of each point in upward direction. Similarly, take projections of front view from step 1 in right direction and locate point A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Also join them as shown. In step 3, we will consider plane inclination with horizontal plane. So we will draw a front view of step 2 at an angle of 45 degree in step 3. For that, draw a line at an angle of 45 degree on line XY in vertical plane and draw a front view from step 2 on it and locate point A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash as shown. Now, to draw a top view in step 3, take projections of each point in downward direction. Similarly, take projection of top view from step 2 in right direction and locate point A, B, C, D, E and F. Also join them as shown. Here, front view and top view of step 3 is our final answer for given problem. I hope you understood it.